What's up folks, my name is Felix. Welcome back to another episode of my series, my YouTube DeFi portfolio, where I show you summarized all my current positions, which I show almost on a daily basis here on my YouTube channel. Without further ado, we want to get right into it. If you like those series, I would appreciate if you hit the like button, and if you have questions about any of the mentioned projects, just ask them down in the comment section. So these are all my current holdings percentage wise. My biggest position is still Profit Wallet, my best performing project, which I'm in already since October last year. But at first you want to talk about the positions which are new since my last episode. And the bigger positions here in this case, which I talked about in recent videos, are of course Aerodrome. I have a liquidity pool with Aero token and USDBC. Currently, then I have another new position, which is Wildbase, a project which I talked about yesterday or in the video before, a goose fork slash tomb fork, which should offer their liquidity pools on Saturday, so tomorrow when you watch that video. And yeah, those APRs will be very juicy. That's why I put around 800 bucks into this one. And another new position which I bought in is my Foxify Gold NFT, because I believe Foxify will do very well. They will launch at the end of September, but I will talk about it in a few seconds in more detail. So my three biggest positions currently are Profit Wallet, Stasis Network, and the BNB miner. All, in my opinion, long-term projects. Profit Wallet, a diversified crypto portfolio which currently offers 3 to 8% monthly. Completely depends if you have a downline and recommend the project to others. So basically do affiliate marketing. Then Stasis Network, another DeFi portfolio which is focusing on ETH, so has a lot of ETH exposure. For example, the token price here in Stasis Network dropped a little bit over the last few days, but you shouldn't be concerned at all because the DeFi portfolio, which they showed in today's update video on their Discord live stream, is doing pretty good. And what they do, if the gap between price and portfolio, they will just buy tokens with the returns from the market and close the gap in this way. And the BNB miner, of course, I will probably do a dedicated video tomorrow. This one is currently my number one high-risk DeFi project because it's doing so well, and that already since 900 days. So we hit the 900 days milestone today. And yeah, I can't believe what's going on in this project, how strong the community behind it is, but more about that in tomorrow's video. I don't want to talk about every position here in detail, but I want to talk about Foxify because the pre-sale will be at the 21st of September and the launch will be on the 29th. And the beta phase of the perpetuals just went live today, and that's a project you definitely don't want to miss. I probably have never said this on this channel that you don't want to miss a project, but Foxify is definitely one you don't want to miss because it will, at least from my perspective, be one of the biggest, if not the biggest project on Arbitrum because it has an outstanding use case, a great team behind it, and the tokenomics are also set up pretty well. So you might at least look into it before the pre-sale, before the project launches at the end of September. And if we're already talking about launches, ArcFi will launch their new products next week. So next week, the Terra card will be available for the public. And they also have Arc Lite in their pipeline, which will probably launch at the end of September, beginning of October. And then also the decentralized VPN service and the other privacy products at the end of the year. We also have Alpha 365 launching at mid of September. It should be the 15th or 16th. I'm not 100% sure. And we have Ocean Money starting this month. So a lot of launches, a lot of excitement building for the end of September and the beginning of October. And all the other positions, again, if you have any questions on these projects, let me know down in the comment section. And I hopefully can give you all the information about them you need. So now we want to look into the exact numbers. How do the exact numbers currently look like? And we are sitting at a market value of this portfolio of 33K. So we are a little bit up compared to my last month's portfolio update. There we were sitting at 29K. So we basically had an increase of 4K. But to be honest, this isn't majorly caused by the good performance of some projects. This is caused by new deposits, new allocations in my portfolio. So for example, those projects I already talked about in the beginning of this video. So if we scroll through these, you can see I categorize them in long-term cash flow projects and in NFT projects. So NFTs which have basically a use case which I think will appreciate in value, or for example, I can do other things with them like getting passive income. And yeah, biggest position currently again, Profit Wallet, then Stasis Network, then the BNB miner. And there are some smaller positions here as well. So let's see how this portfolio plays out over the upcoming months. For example, one position I didn't mention is this bull run token. I mentioned this in one previous video around a few days ago, and this one just launched a few minutes before I started this video, and you might want to look into that. A lot of people from the BaseSwap / Arbidex team are also invested in this one, and it might do very well. I will link that project down in the description that you might want to join their Telegram or Discord. This is the one and only meme coin I'm currently invested in because I think it will do very well in the near future. So if you like today's portfolio update, would be really cool if you can hit the like button. And if you don't want to miss future updates on my portfolio or other promising DeFi projects, which I almost upload on a daily basis, you might also want to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.